Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to put together a really nice Mother's Day themed treat box. You'll need a treat box. I'm using this nice white, pink and red one, which I think matches with Mother's Day perfectly. We're going to make cakesicles first, so simply melt chocolate of your choice. I have red candy melts that I've melted for these ones, and this is just a flashback to a Valentine's Day themed cakesicle video I made a while back, and they're just some ideas of what other color themes you can do. You can use any mold of your choice. I have these ones here as well, and for my box this time I'm going to make them all red, but you can do whatever color theme. Inside, add crumbled cake and vanilla icing or icing of your choice, and mix it together to form a dough. This you'll see with cake pops, that's the dough that you use. Sorry for the unstable videoing. My tripod broke, so I've been filming most of this video with one hand, so it's not been the easiest. So I decorated my Valentine's ones like this, and I think these look really nice, so you can use that design idea as well. Next, we're going to do cupcakes for our box, because I don't think a treat box is complete without cupcakes. So we're going to do Russian piping, and for our floral design, I've added pink and yellow icing inside my piping bag and piped these with Russian piping nozzles. These are really tricky to use, but you can use the link above and follow my tutorial on how to use these Russian piping nozzles that I tried for the first time. And there we have it. I decorated some mini cupcakes as well with my leftover icing. And now we're going to put all of these together and assemble them into our box. I'd recommend putting nice pink tissue paper or something at the bottom first, but it's up to you how you do it. So I'm adding 2 of my large chocolate cupcakes. I'm adding 2 mini cupcakes, and then I'm adding my cakesicles, which I've put in these small plastic bags so they don't get dirty, and just to make it a bit more neater. And you can add chocolates or sweets as well if you want into your box. And that's it. So I've added cupcakes, mini cupcakes and cakesicles into this Mother's Day treat box. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you decide to try out something similar, do let me know and comment down below what videos you'd like next. Easter is soon, so do comment any Easter themed video ideas as well. Thank you so much for watching.